Personally, I'm a CLT member. CLT means Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport. And everything started from CLT. CLT came into Kenya in the year 2002 and took like 5 years and then disappeared. And now you find that students who graduated from CLT by then, those 5 years, they were left hanging. People like us, yes, we had those certificates, we were doing jobs with them, but we didn't belong to any body, any professional body. So, but a lot of benefits that the CLT guys are benefiting from in other countries, in other Western countries, with us, we don't benefit from them because the charter was withdrawn. So, some of us sat down, we brainstormed together and said, now we need to have a professional body that will bring all logistics students, all logistics professionals together. Just like I said before, like, in Kenya we have so many professional bodies, and every professional needs or wants to belong to a professional body. Like the Kenya Law Society, we also have the Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supplies. We also have Kenya Institute of Management, the KeLB. So we felt that as like logistics professionals, we need to belong to a professional body, and that's now where the Kenya Logistics Bureau started from. And we want to make sure that every logistics profession has gone through practical trainings, because we are working together with the industries, all the transport industries, all the manufacturing industries, all the warehouse industries. We are working together so that they get the experience, the skills that is needed in the logistics field. Now, Kenya Logistics Bureau is a professional body that was formed to make sure that all logistics professionals that are in Kenya, at least to have a body that they are satisfied with, or a body that give guidance to them, and a body that can also provide them with professional trainings, basically on logistics management and transport management. At KeLB, we have different services. We provide different services, and that is consultancy services. We also provide logistics training services in supply chain management, warehouse management, and also in inventory management. And after the completion of the trainings, we provide all our students with certificates, and also with Kenya Logistics Bureau membership. Logistics management is very important in manufacturing industry. As in manufacturing organizations, it involves many operations, starting from the supplying of the raw materials to the industry, and also manufacturing industry itself to the warehouse, and then from the warehouse also, all that process contains what we call transportation. All the operation, all of it, logistics plays a big role in it, and therefore manufacturing companies should take much concerns into logistics management, because you can't run a manufacturing industry without a logistics officer in it, or a logistics manager in it. So who will manage the transport part of it, or who will manage the warehouse part of it? Because you find that after the raw materials have been transported to the industry, or to the company, or to the manufacturing place, after the production has taken place, they have to be transported from the production place to the warehouse. That process there involves a lot of logistics management, and therefore it needs a logistics professional to do that. There is something called reverse logistics. You find that there are some goods that have been rejected by the customers, and then they need to come back to the manufacturing industry, maybe for recycling, something like that. And now that process coming back to the manufacturing industry is what we call reverse logistics, and therefore it needs a serious management so that it can be a successful one. Technology is playing a very big role in every field in the world right now, because everything now has been computerized, a lot of things. Now in the logistics, we have got so many technology that has been advanced, starting from transportation, warehouse, inventory management. There are so many. Like for example, if I talk of warehouse, there are warehouse management system that has been put in place right now, and every manufacturing organization must have them, so that you can be able to locate where the products have been placed. Is unlike before, where people used to do things manually. Nowadays, you just take your computer with the system, the software installed in it, and then you are able to locate where a product has been placed. And also in transport management, very important in manufacturing industry. You know, a manufacturer, after the goods have been produced, they have to be transported from the industry to the suppliers, or from the industry to the retailers, or to the buyers. How are they going to monitor the movement? Now, we want to make sure that Kenya Logistics Bureau is something that is going to be passed in the parliament in the next 2 years. We want to make sure that it has been passed. How? We have come up with a policy, and it's called Kenya National Logistics Policy. And if you read it, I'll have time to share it with you. And if you go through it, it has a lot of things that we need in this field. For example, we want to make sure that anybody or any student that is taking logistics course, or whether it is just logistics single, or it is combined with another course, maybe logistics and procurement or logistics and supply chain, must be certified by Kenya Logistics Bureau. And we are trying to make sure that that one goes through in 2 years coming. And also, in the policy, we also want to make sure that any company that is within logistics and transport industry has to be registered with the Kenya Logistics Bureau. And we want to provide a very big network for every logistics professional, so that when a student comes out of university or college, he or she knows where they are going. And that one can only be done by networking, working together, partnership with the different organizations. More so, the government. Because it is something that we can't achieve without the government. And some key stakeholders in the industry.